The iPhone 14 keeps calling 911 on roller coasters. Yeah, I saw this breaking on Twitter yesterday. A lot of people thought this was funny. It is the new crash detection feature. And this makes total sense.
Just whipping around.
Yeah, this makes total sense.
Yeah.
There's probably other circumstances like maybe, I don't know, mountain biking or anything where you're really getting whipped around.
Yeah.
Where you could trigger the crash detection. Now, thankfully, there's a prompt that comes on the display. Thank you, Mo. Mo just delivered a beautiful coffee right now. I don't know if anybody noticed that. Shout out Mo for two reasons, because he's been working with me on the watch video. Mo and I were together yesterday.
Was he skating?
No, he did not skate.
Oh, okay.
But him and I were together yesterday from 10:30 to 8:30 10:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m.
Wow.
And so whatever, I mean, there's all types of
special
intimate updates going on with that. But listen, this is not a surprise to me. It's obviously not ideal. I don't know if they can sort out this algorithm so they can tell the difference between a roller coaster. Maybe through GPS, they could identify, oh, you're at a theme park. We know there's a known theme park there. We're probably not going to trigger it. Apple rolled out crash detection with its new iPhone 14. Watch Series 8 and Ultra last month, equipping the devices with a gyroscopic sensor and high-G accelerometer trained on the impact experienced with simulated car crashes. The sensors detect that you've been in an accident. Your iPhone will display an alert and call emergency services if you don't dismiss it within 20 seconds. Well, so the problem here is you're on a roller coaster. You cannot reach your phone in your pocket, nor would you pull it out with.
And it would be really loud, and
Oh, that's why it's going through and totally calling 911. It's going to the dispatch because in 20 seconds you can't slide it and say, no, I'm okay, because I guess a roller coaster probably takes like a minute or something to be over, maybe more, maybe a minute. I don't know how long a typical roller coaster takes, but long enough to call 911. Since the iPhone 14 went on sale, this is a tweet from Joanna Stern. The 911 dispatch center near Kings Island Amusement Park has received at least 6 phone calls saying the owner of this iPhone was in a severe crash, except the owner was on a roller coaster. Yeah. Not ideal. I guess law enforcement is probably pretty upset with this, because how do they know the difference between a real one and a fake one? And then did they just start ignoring all of them?
Just blacklist.
Stern says Warren County, where Kings Island is located, received 6 emergency calls. Also points out that other users have experienced similar issues at amusement parks across the country. Bringing smartphones on rides is not a smart idea to begin with. That's a good point. Probably leave but I don't know where you're going to put it. Yeah, that's a problem. I think they give you a little locker. Have you been to a theme park recently?
Yeah, I have. There's cubbies, and you could just put them in there, and it's right beside the ride, so there's people looking at them. Security,
you still can't really lock it, though.
No.
So when you were at the theme park, then did you take the phone on the coaster, or did you leave it? Do you remember?
I don't remember, actually. I took off my glasses.
Well, glasses. I don't think anyone's going to steal your prescription.
Yeah.
That's a little tougher to steal, but...
I probably did, actually. Maybe in like a little fanny pack. Put it in there, Well, listen. I think in the vast majority of cases, nothing is stolen, but it would not be a fun experience if something went missing either. However, if you're on the roller coaster and it flies out of your pocket somehow, not too fun either. So you think about it, don't you? Yeah.